The liver stands as the largest solid internal organ of the human body, performing over 500 vital functions and holds approximately 1 pint of your body's blood at any moment. Some common liver functions are bile production, filtration and elimination of toxins from your blood, synthesis of nearly all blood plasma proteins, conversion of glucose and glycogen, managing blood clotting, supporting the immune system, metabolism of drugs, bilirubin and nutrients, and storage of fat-soluble vitamins. Today, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease caused by poor diet and lifestyle choices and characterized by increased fat accumulation and hepatocytes of your liver. Parenchyma is the most common chronic liver disease worldwide. Lipogenesis simulates excessive fat production, which accumulates in adipose tissues and causes insulin resistance. In fatty liver disease, too much fat builds up in the liver due to high consumption of inflammatory foods and beverages, leading to inflammation that becomes the root cause of multiple health complications, including diabetes, high cholesterol, hypertension, obesity, kidney failure, heart diseases, gallbladder issues, and toxins pile up in the blood, and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Fatty liver disease is also known as hepatic steatosis. It affects nearly 80 to 100 million adults in the US alone, and many don't even know it. Fatty liver disease initially shows no noticeable symptoms except for tiredness, discomfort, and pain in the upper right of your abdomen, and that is why it is also known as the silent liver disease. Some people may experience serious symptoms such as stiffness and pain in the upper right side of the body, especially on top of the rib cage, shoulders, or at the right side of the neck. Additionally, increased fat around your gut leads to a pot-shaped belly, spider veins on your legs, and enlarged and swollen breasts, particularly in men, caused by poor estrogen filtration due to liver damage. A swollen right foot, abdomen, or legs, and underactive thyroid can also be positive signs of fatty liver disease. If fatty liver disease turns into any degree of scarring, it is termed fibrosis. But permanent and extensive scarring, swelling, and hardening of the liver is a life-threatening liver condition called cirrhosis. But the good news is that the liver can repair and regenerate itself after damage. Like skin, the self-healing power of the liver enables it to regenerate itself in just a few months unless it's harmed or damaged beyond the limit of repair. Today, we'll discuss the 6 best vitamins you can take to get rid of fatty liver disease by clearing the fat and protecting your liver from more damage. Additionally, you will learn about lifestyle changes that will help you recover from the NAFLD quickly. But note that these vitamins are not replacements for fatty liver disease medications or treatments. They can just speed up your recovery or aid you in preventing the disease in the first place. It is better to consult your doctor immediately for serious liver health issues. With that said, let's discover these liver-friendly vitamins without further ado. Vitamin D and vitamin K2. Hypovitaminnosis D is the deficiency of serum 25-hydroxy vitamin D in your blood, which usually occurs due to the less exposure to the sunlight. New research suggests that vitamin D is linked to non-alcoholic fatty liver disease incidence or severity, and patients with fatty liver disease are at higher risk of developing vitamin D insufficiency. The expression of vitamin D receptors in hepatic cells reduces inflammation in chronic fatty liver diseases. Moreover, it increases insulin sensitivity by increasing the modulation of free fatty acids and enhancing the expression of glucose transporter 4. In addition to its antibiotic, anti-proliferative, and anti-inflammatory effects of the liver, vitamin D reduces the concentration of cytokeratin 18 apoptotic fragment M30, which is the marker of liver disease. Some sources claim that refilling your body with vitamin D is harmful without vitamin K2, as both work synergistically to enhance your liver health and perform other functions like maintaining normal blood calcium levels. Vitamin D and K2 prevent liver scarring, swelling, and inflammation, so the liver can easily recover from the damage. Choline. Scientific research associates choline deficiency with fatty liver disease. Choline is a recently discovered strong basic compound that is mandatory in metabolizing and transporting lipids in your body. Choline is an essential nutrient for healthy liver function. No scientific study backs the idea that choline may reverse fatty liver disease, but helps prevent the disease and support liver health. Your body may produce some choline. To meet overall body needs, you need to get it through diet. Choline is involved in making a substance that removes cholesterol from your liver, and less choline means fat and cholesterol build up in your liver, leading to fatty liver disease. Choline is known as bile salt, which promotes bile production in the liver and helps digest fats. Choline works as emulsifying agent and helps to break fatty acid and eliminate the toxins from your body. Choline also produces a neurotransmitter, acetylcholine, which promotes sleep, memory, and focus. You get choline through fish, poultry, eggs, cauliflower, broccoli, nuts, Brussels sprouts, beans, and cabbage. Vitamin E. Tocotrienols are emerging as the new vitamin E. These are 100 times more absorbing than of tocopherol, with more efficient penetration in the fat tissues. Vitamin E has strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that reduce liver injury in fatty liver disease. Vitamin E supports the liver in removing toxins from your body, including pesticides, heavy metals, food additives, drugs, and harmful environmental chemicals. Though normally this role is played by glutathione, but in case of inflamed or damaged liver, the glutathione level drops, which leads to toxins building up in your body, putting your immune system at stake. Vitamin E protects liver cells from free radical damage, cell death, and scarring. To keep your glutathione level normal, you can eat a diet rich in vitamin E, particularly tocotrienol, such as vegetable oils, leafy green vegetables, avocados, almonds, sunflower seeds, Swiss chards, pumpkins, and red bell pepper. Bile salt TUDCA. Bile salts are formed in the liver and released through the bile duct into the intestine. Microbes in the large intestine metabolize these salts into ursodeoxycholic acid, conjugating to a taurine molecule to form TUDCA. TUDCA is a new star in functional liver medicine, quickly becoming the showstopper amongst the supplements due to its potential health benefits. Traditional Chinese medicines contain TUDCA for hepatic and biliary diseases. It helps to lower liver enzymes and reduce liver fibrosis. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of TUDCA help in reversing fatty liver disease. The deficiency of bile salts in fatty liver disease can lead to gallbladder problems like stones or nutritional deficiencies. TUDCA is a synthetic form of bear bile used for years to treat liver problems and digestive health. The supplements of TUDCA thin out bile and in the liver removes excess fat and eliminate toxins that ultimately stimulate the liver to regenerate its damaged parts. TUDCA is particularly useful if your gallbladder is removed surgically. It helps to digest fats and remove them from the body. Milk thistle. Milk thistle is an herb used as a dietary supplement for hepatitis, cirrhosis, jaundice, gallbladder disorders, diabetes, and other health conditions for centuries. The main ingredient of milk thistle that protects the liver is silymarin. Silymarin is a chemical that is extracted from the seeds. This group of flavonoids helps repair the liver cells damaged by a toxic substance or alcohol. Silymarin has anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and antioxidant properties that protect the liver from toxins and inflammation. Studies have shown that milk thistle has improved liver function in people with liver damage by reducing inflammation and promoting fat removal. Silymarin has powerful detoxification properties that aid the liver in detoxifying alcohol, environmental toxins, and poisons. Moreover, it helps reduce insulin resistance, an underlying cause of fatty liver disease. It also promotes the glutathione that protects the liver from damage and scarring. Milk thistle is also thought to increase the life expectancy of patients suffering from cirrhosis. Milk thistle is usually taken in dried whole form 3 times a day. S-adenosyl L-methionine, or SAMe. SAMe works as a major methyl donor in the methyltransferase reactions to restore hepatic glutathione deposits and reduce the intensity of liver injury. Mostly fatty liver disease develops due to an over-intake of inflammatory foods, medicines, alcohol, or toxins. These substances cause free radical liver cell damage. Same comes in capsule form. These supplements reverse the fatty acid, reduce hepatic steatosis, and oxidative stress in the endothelial and hepatic cells. It significantly reduces lipid accumulation in the liver by promoting mitochondrial fatty acid entry for beta oxidation and external triglyceride release. Some studies show that same supports the stage 2 detoxification process of the liver, where it breaks toxins and poisons into harmless compounds. Generally, some diet and lifestyle changes help fatty liver disease patients. A diet containing fruits, vegetables, and high-fiber plants like legumes and whole grains helps reverse fatty liver disease. Coffee, greens, beans, soy, fish, oatmeal, and unsaturated fats, turmeric, and garlic are highly recommended to reduce inflammation, markers of liver damage, and the risk of NAFLD. Meanwhile, some foods and beverages like sugar, salt, refined carbohydrates, fried foods, alcohol, and saturated fats are recommended to avoid. You can maintain a healthy weight and clear your liver of excess fats with proper exercise and diet. For a safe side and professional help, your healthcare expert can decide your supplement's dosage, diet, and exercise plan for appropriate weight loss based on your overall health and medical history. This is all for today. I hope this video has helped you understand how to restore your liver health and avoid NAFLD. For more helpful videos on health and wellness, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Till next time, take care.